Hello everybody, welcome to Great Yarmouth Photos and Webcams. Hemsby at night. It is March, so obviously there's not many people about, but I thought I'd just do a Hemsby at night. I mean, everything, well, the amusements are open, and a lot of the places in the day was open as well. So don't forget to get on the top engagement list. Don't forget to hit the like button now. Don't forget to share and comment. That gives you points to get on the top of the list. So we've got the Oasis there. That's where the bingo used to be. All the arcades. I have done a Hemsby beach video as well, which I've just put on the Facebook page. Sands Amusements, another popular one. The Mirage, very similar design to the Flamingo that is in Great Yarmouth, quite a similar design. Have you all booked your Hemsby holiday? If you leave in the comments where you're going to stay at Hemsby, when you're coming. Be interested to know. Leave a comment, get some points if you're watching on the Facebook. So do you stay in Hemsby, or do you stay in Yarmouth and then come to Hemsby for the day? This one's a popular arcade. The family that run it's obviously been running it for years. The Oasis Takeaway, that was open earlier on today. Obviously it's early season. Once it gets busier, it's open till late. It's like a little mini Great Yarmouth, Hemsby is. All the arcade lights make it look fantastic. Don't forget to follow my page if you're not doing so already. Which arcade is your favourite? Obviously there is a couple more arcades a bit further down as well, which aren't open at the moment. There wasn't at night. And there still is a bingo connected to one of those as well. So if you do like the bingo, there is a new bingo in Great Yarmouth as well on the seafront.